Enjoy it, subscribe if you're not already. That was well timed. Should we have a little look what that was? Welcome back to the channel and to the storage unit testers. My name's Robjohns. This channel is Retro Reselling, and I basically buy and sell all sorts of second-hand and new items from boot sales, charity shops, auctions, wherever I can get them from. I buy them cheap and then sell them online for a profit. That's my business. I haven't done one of these videos for a while, so I thought it was well overdue to do one. I'm going to pick my weekend orders using the GoPro. I'm going to attach it to a head mount on my head, go through each one. There's quite a few. I released some merch yesterday, we'll get to that at the end. So there's a nice mixture of items, got some high end, some lower end, some bill payers, and then the merch at the end. So let's get you strapped to my head. I'll show you what I paid for it, and most importantly, what it's sold for. So let's get going. Okay, and off we go. Let's scroll to the bottom. First item, we've got a pair of trainers, Air Max 95. I've had these for a little while. Overflowing in the trainer section here. Here you go, got them eventually. I've had these for a little while, that's why they're probably at the bottom of that pile. Just a pair of nice Air Max 95s from 2005, so quite old. Got $34.99 plus postage. They owe me £10 from a boot sale, so $10.34. I've had to wait a few months, but that's a good markup, and again, nice and easy to post out. Put in one of my bags, whack a label one, off it goes. Decent profit, nice sale. A punchier sale now. Got a camcorder. Sell quite a lot of these throughout the year. I was not picking up VHS compacts. I thought they weren't worth as much, but I've suddenly increased in price and they do sell well. So I've got a few now, and here's another one. Chinon VC1800. No sort of flashy gizmos or special features or anything. Just basically a standard video camera from the 90s. All works. Tested it working. Put in a listing that showing it working and everything. Really nice item. Paid £10 at a boot sale. Listed this in September. Obviously just started October, so in its first cycle, and it's gone for $65.99 plus postage. Really nice markup. Nice punchy item. Again, not too bad to pack. Complete with its bag. Put it in a box, pad it out, and we'll get there safely. Really nice thing. Got 3 of the same item now. 1, 2, 3. Picked up a load of Canon chargers and batteries at a boot sale maybe a month and a half or so ago. Paid £10 for everything. I've made loads of money off this. The batteries were going for like £15 each. I had at least 12 of them. I've got these chargers. I've sold a handful already. I've sold 3 here, £12.99 each. So that's 30 odd pounds just with these 3 and a whole lot of chargers and batteries. I paid a tenner for. Absolutely great pickup. The only thing with these, it has a international plug on it, so I've had to buy up some plugs, which I did over here, so match them up. Each one will get a plug. These are like dirt cheap anyway. Yeah, I just got these on eBay, on Amazon. I think these owe me like £1.50 each, maybe £2 each, so I was well into profit anyway, so it was worth doing. And then you can just slot that down, slot that in there, and then use it as you would. Put the battery in and off you go. £12.99, absolutely pure profit, and again, easy post. We've got a big one now, and it's up here. Got this about 3 weeks ago, I think. This is from my midweek boot sale. Got vintage Tommy trains, Thomas the Tank and friends. Really nice set, really big box. It was complete. In fact, I think it was missing 1 or 2 bits of track, and it had some extras in there as well, sort of a mishmash. And also Thomas and Percy were both missing with the motorized wheels and things. So it's literally everything apart from 1 piece of track and the 2 main engines. It's got the 2 carriages and the figures, it's got everything else. So it's literally just a vintage piece of track and things like from the Thomas range. Only paid £5 for this, and it's still gone even with the missing parts. £40 plus £6 postage. It's obviously going to be a bit bigger, bit of cardboard around it, that'll go nicely. 5 to 40, took a month. I think this is on its 2nd cycle, so not bad, and made a nice bit of space up there as well. Yeah, really love that. A coat that's been lingering for a little while. Nearly had this a year now. Done a deal with a contact from Instagram. Each item owes me £2. I think I had 50 pieces all in all. This is sort of one of the last couple of pieces I do have. Obviously it's stuck around because no one wanted a big winter coat during the summer and spring. It was treated quite well to nice weather. Obviously it's wet and horrible now. It's been raining all weekend non-stop. Sold this for 10 plus postage, so nothing special, just a nice long Adidas coat, black with the stripes. Yeah, nothing special. It owes me £2. It's been nearly here for a year, so yeah, again, pure profit. Last few items, that deal done me well. Again, another bit of space. It was taking up quite a lot of room, so yeah, hopefully I get some better coats to fill up that space. Okay, got one from the Shoes and Boots man, who I buy from most Sundays when it's on. Here they are. Really nice these are. Got a pair of Hugo Boss like suede desert boot type thing. Sort of a mid-rise here, so just above the ankle. Paid £15 for my local Shoes and Boots man, like I said. So I'm getting good quality stuff. I'm paying up a little bit, but yeah, I'm getting loads of quality stuff like this. Obviously really good name, Boss. Nice men's size. I think these are a 10 or 11. Yeah, 15 into 42.49. So random amounts. I've sent offers to watchers, about 12%. So these were listed for about £45.99. Got 42 from 15. Listed in September, so in its first cycle. Perfect sale. Pair of DMs. These weren't from a contact, just a family seller. These are size 2, so a child size. I don't normally bother with children's size in clothing and shoes, but these were basically worn once. These were like new condition. Yeah, hardly anywhere at all. So yeah, like new. Paid £10. They've gone for £35.99 plus postage. Again, the perfect sale. Right, now every sale from now is all the new merch. So that is up here. I went live last night to launch it. I was not expecting it to sell as quick as it has done. We've actually sold out of single coasters. We've got a few of the magnets going, a few of the key rings, a few sets of free. So if you are interested, you've got to be very quick. I've ordered more of the coasters, so hopefully they'll be back in stock soon. But yeah, we've got the coasters here. Trying to reduce the plastic, so it's made from wood, like sustainably sourced wood, made in the UK from a local contact. I'll put his details down below. Thanks, George. Got the cork feet there on them. They seem to be the most popular, the coasters, so that's all good. And this one is the key ring, so metal and wood, no plastic again. But yeah, nice laser cutted pineapple, obviously related to the channel. And then the last thing was magnets. Again, my logo, similar to the coasters, but just with a magnet on the back. Thanks to everyone that has bought some so far. Really appreciate it. Obviously helps me, supports me in the channel. And you get a fun little gift as well. Trying to get nice little gifty things that people actually use while obviously supporting me. So yeah, really blown away with how quick these have sold. Unbelievable. I'll get them out now in their separate piles. Well, yeah, that's nearly cleared me out. I've got a nice little bag here. So the coasters are available, but the only way you can get a coaster at the moment is if you order a set of 3. So there we go. And there are more on order, so don't worry about that. And also, because obviously people are supporting me, when you purchase from me on anything in the shop, on my eBay or Depop, you get a free badge while they're still available. So here's a little pile to go with the wooden coasters. Still quite a few badges left. So they're available on their own again, so running out of them, so be quick if you did want one. Got the sets of 3 here. I think there was 12 altogether, sets of 3, so ready to go. Here's all the coasters, the sold out single sets, 25 there. Then we've got 4 of the magnets, like single magnets there, ready to go. 5 key rings, and someone did order a single badge. So again, thanks for all the support. Really appreciate it. I'm very touched every time someone takes the time and obviously their own money out of their pocket to help support me. Yeah, blows me away every time. Thanks so much. The haters are gonna really hate this one. They're gonna blow their mind. So no, there's a few people that don't like me or things that I do. Yeah, never mind, you can't please them all, but this just shows that all the love and that and positive messages I get outweigh any negativity. So yeah, just really touched. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you're not already. That was well timed. Should we have a little look what that was? It's another set of 3. There we go. Just as I was signing off, we sold another set of 3. Thanks, Lynn, for that one. Let's get this prepared. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Well timed. Just as I was signing off. let's get them packed. They'll be off today. Again, thanks so much. Like the video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck with your selling. See ya.